Okay, Buick fans, Gauze Garage coming to you from Englewood, Florida. Cars and coffee this beautiful December 27th. On the last few remaining days of 2023, you're looking at a 66 Buick GS convertible, Skylark rather, sorry. Skylark convertible. This belongs to a friend of mine. It was his dad's car. The car had an engine fire and was parked, and then my friend Jeff picked it up, repainted it, did the body work, and it has just now had a little bit of a small accident with it, and it's fresh out of the body shop. A Corvette place ended up doing the car, and they did a phenomenal job on the body. And look at that, 66 Skylark convertible. It was his dad's car. He's had it for many years. It's got the little 340 Nailhead in it. So we always joke that it's got a Mopar 340 in it, but it's a Buick 340. Not a 350, but a 340 because of the heads, the nail head, and that's what makes it a beautiful car. And there you have it, convertible fans. Beautiful 66 Skylark convertible. Uh, Pretty low production, very rare, very stylish, beautiful car. Gauze Garage.